Good morning, my dear ones. Hope you all are doing good. Have you completed your notes? Are you studying the chapters? Yes. So, this is our 12th radio session. And by the previous class, we have started a new chapter, chapter 3, Infinite World Within Our Grasp. And what all are the activities which we have discussed in previous class? You have learned about how to create an email account, then how to send messages using your email account, then various modes of communication like letter, telephone, then email, mobile phones, etc. And also about some wiki projects. So these are the topics which we have discussed in our previous class. So in today's class, by the end of the session, you will be able to learn about School Wiki. It is a project developed by Wiki, and also about Endenado tab in School Wiki, and then how to add contents in Wiki codes. So you will learn about this section. We are going to deal with these three topics. One is School Wiki, and next one is one tab Endenado in School Wiki. Then other thing is about Wiki codes. Okay. So shall we start today's session? Take your textbook page number 36. Page number 36. The topic is School Wiki. So listen to your textbook. Okay. So School Wiki. School Wiki is an encyclopedia developed using Wiki software that includes all the details like history, location, etc. of schools in Kerala. So in Kerala there are a lot of schools. School Wiki is a website developed by Wiki project to know all the details about all the schools in Kerala. All the history, location, then geographical features, then what the programs, everything of any schools in Kerala. That is what School Wiki. So all the information about schools have been contributed to this site by groups comprising students, teachers and old students, alumni. So anyone in the world can contribute the information regarding the schools in School Wiki. It is open to all. It is a free software. So that it is a free website. So that any students, teachers or any old students, anyone can add details in School Wiki. That is what known as contributions. So based on this number of volunteers, the information may vary. So if two persons are adding some details in School Wiki, so it may contain only some information. Suppose 40 or 50 students are adding several information about that school, the information gets to increase, isn't it? So that depending on the number of volunteers, number of persons, the contents may vary. Okay. Then the fact that anyone without much technical knowledge can contribute or modify information makes Wiki project more acceptable to all. You can include details about your school, other interesting features of your locality and also articles prepared by children in School Wiki. You can add any details about your school, location, history, then organized programs, everything. You can add anything in School Wiki. So the fact that anyone without much technical knowledge also can add several details regarding the school. That is what a brief description about School Wiki. Okay. So don't want to study all this paragraph in detail. Just think that just read that a brief description about School Wiki. What is School Wiki or for what School Wiki is used, and inside that School Wiki which tab is used. So like that main points, only you need to study main points because for your practical exam 10 mark theory questions. So one word questions are there they are asking. So no need to study all this paragraph in detail. Just keep in mind that what is School Wiki, for what School Wiki is used. Okay. Then here in your textbook, in some boxes, here in top you can see what book, opened book like structure. It is for further reading. Hope you all know that. In your textbook, every chapter you can see near to that box, near to that table, one open book like structure. For example, in your textbook, near to School Wiki, you can see one box. Let's build the pillars of knowledge. Near to that box, you can see one open book like structure. This for further reading or extra knowledge. It won't come for evaluation, won't come for your exam. Okay. So you can ignore that portion. Just read that portion. It is not for evaluation. So that is about school wiki. And then next thing is that anyone can edit the details in school wiki. If I have added something, you can edit the details. So you can add the contents in my page. But only those who have membership only has the permission to add new article, or it can consist of some secure pages. So anyone with membership can only add new article. Otherwise you can edit the details, or you can add some contents in other one's page. But if you have account, if you have membership only, you can add new details. So next, how to take membership? Like creation of Gmail account, we can create our own account in School Wiki. So that what is the benefit? We can add new articles related to our schools. Okay. So next topic is how to take membership. Page number 37. There is one box. You can see how to take membership in School Wiki. So now I will show how to take membership, and I will show what is School Wiki web page. Okay. So let's see.
Let's see School Wiki web page. Type in Google School Wiki. So this is the main web page of School Wiki. Click on over here, and this one is the home page of School Wiki. So it will be in Malayalam language. Here we can see a lot of information related to particular things. So here we can see a different district. So I am going to click on Thrissur, so that we can see the details of schools in Thrissur. So click on this sub-district Irinjalakuda. So that about Irinjalakuda we can see all the schools. Okay. Aided, government and private schools. See, here a lot of persons have contributed the details or history or about school, about the school. See, the started year, the school code, then the place, then school address, pin code, etc. Every details are here. And we can create an account in this School Wiki, so that we can add our contribution. Suppose if you want to add contributions, or if you want to add the contents related to history and details related to your school, you can take or you can create an account in this School Wiki, and like another schools, you can add contributions of your own. How to create an account in School Wiki? Here you can see a tab, create account. Click on this, so that like email account, creating email account, here a lot of boxes will appear. Enter your details. Now I am entering my name, but here you can see this username already exists, so I have to create another username. Create a password. I have already an account in the School Wiki, so that I can't give my own name again. So create a password. I'm going to type a password. Re-enter that password. Give email ID. Give any email ID. Here it is optional, don't want to give here. Then this one is CAPTCHA. So click on this place, CAPTCHA place, to ensure that I am not a robot. So this question will appear. Select the suitable image, then click on this tab. See, my new created page has opened. Like this, I have created one account in School Wiki, so that we can add our own contributions by clicking on this part. By clicking on this tabs, we can add the contribution based on our school and locality. So likewise, we can add our contributions. Anybody can edit in the School Wiki, but if you have membership, that persons only can add new contribution. So now I am having an account, so that I can add new article related to my school. Okay, So this is what a general knowledge about school wiki. After adding, we can log out a page by clicking on this option. So this is what a basic information about school wiki.
So hope you are clear about School Wiki website, how to take membership in School Wiki. So next topic is activity 3.5, souvenir of Indianadu in School Wiki. So from the name itself, Indianadu means my locality. I can add every details related to my locality like historical facts, institution and organizations, eminent people and their contribution, developmental hallmarks and possibility, heritage and tradition, like that. Every details related to our locality we can add in School Wiki. So in School Wiki, you all have seen one school's name. So search for one school name. The order is given in activity 3.5. Log into School Wiki, click on the order, district, education district and school to reach your school page. District Thrissur, educational district Irinjalakuda. Click as per the order. Then take Don Bosco HSS Irinjalakuda. There somewhere you can see the tab called Indianadu. The picture is given in page number 38. Figure 3.5. This picture is about School Wiki. You already have seen that page. This one is Indianadu. So if you click as per the order, district Thrissur, educational district Irinjalakuda, then Don Bosco school, somewhere you can see Indianadu tab. Click on that Indianadu tab. Here page number 38, that figure. Look into that figure 3.5. Below you can see Indianadu. Here at the bottom you can see Indianadu. Near to that there is one tab called Help button, Sahayam. Did you see that tab? If you click on that Help tab, you can edit all the details regarding your locality Irinjalakuda. Okay, so that is what activity 3.5, Indianadu. So what is the use? We can add every details like historical facts, eminent personalities in our locality, organizations and institutions. So everything we can add in Indianadu tab. School Wiki means we can add every details about schools. So in that School Wiki page, in our school, near to our school, we can see Indianadu button. If you click on that button, we can add details about our locality also. Okay. That is what the term School Wiki and activity 3.5 Indianadu. Shall we move to next topic? Okay, last topic in today's class, Wiki codes. I have already mentioned what is Wiki codes. About quotations. The definition is given in your textbook. Page number 39. Top. The Wiki projects which contain a collection of famous quotation, inspirational lines of poetry, proverb, riddles, idioms, etc. are called as Wiki codes. So you can see some Malayalam writings there about written by Ullur S. Parameshwara. So you have studied in your Malayalam textbook. So likewise we can see every quotations and inspirational lines of several eminent personality in Wiki codes. So next activity is what? Let's add condensing Wiki codes. How to add quotations in Wiki codes. These quotations are added by some persons. Okay, it is not inbuilt in Wiki codes. These are all added by some person. Like School Wiki, we can add quotations related to some famous personalities in Wiki codes. So next activity 3.6 is how to add condensing Wiki codes. So I will show how to add codes in Wiki codes. Okay, so let's see.
We can add different wiki codes related to various famous persons quotation we can add in wiki codes, so that the correct stepwise procedure is described in your textbook, page number 39, activity 3.6. So listen how to add condense in wiki code. So collect such materials from your textbook or from library or from any articles and include it in wiki codes. So the first step is type the given URL. The URL is given in activity 3.6. Type the URL https://ml.wikicode.org. This is the URL. Type it in web browser and this page is known as wikiquotes.org page. So this is the main page. If you wish to add a particular writer's poem or a poet poem lines, so here you can see a search box. This will be in Malayalam language. If you wish to change the language, you can change. Otherwise, in the search box, type a particular poet's name. I am going to type Ullur S. Parameshwarayar. So search for it, so that you can see several quotations related to this famous poet. So if these writers are already included in Wikiquotes, the page consisting their quotation will open on the screen, and if the quotations or lines of a poem of a particular writer is adding for the first time, if nobody has added such poets creations, and if you are adding for first time, then a blank page with the person's name will open. So here somebody has added the quotation related to this famous poet, so that their quotation will open like this. If it is not consist of any creations related to this poet, a blank page will appear. So here on top you can see one edit button. So click on edit button that appears on the top of the page, and now you can add the portions that you wish to include and save it. Okay, so here I didn't have login or I didn't have taken a membership, but no problem. If you take a membership, that particular line or quotations will appear based on your username. Otherwise, you can simply click over here and you can type the quotations, like any quotations. Change the language to Malayalam and type quotations related to your Malayalam textbook or from any articles, etc. So type the corresponding lines of poem, and then here you can see save option. So click on this icon, so that if you search for Ullur S. Parameshwarayar, you can see your added quotations also. So this one is known as Wikiquotes, how to add the contents in Wikiquotes. Or if you take a membership in Wikiquote, once you are typing any creations or quotations, it will be coming as based on your username. So this one is the Wikiquote.
Hope you all clear about how to add contents in Wikiquotes. These all are internet services, email, then what, Wikiquotes, Wiki projects, Wikiquotes, then school wiki, everything are internet oriented services. So don't want to study every step by step procedure. These activities which I am showing won't ask for your exam. It is not a practical oriented chapter, it is based on theory. So study all the theory portion. Keep in your mind that what is school wiki, what is Wikiquotes, what is Endenadu, what is its use. So like that things keep in your mind. So that's all for today's class. What we have discussed in today's session, the first topic was about school wiki. School wiki is a wiki project in order to see all the details about schools in Kerala. And there is one tab called Endenadu. In Endenadu, we can add all the details about our locality. And the last topics which we have discussed today is about Wikiquotes. We can see quotations of famous personalities in Wikiquotes, and also we can add contents in Wikiquotes. So hope you are clear about today's class. If you have any doubts, you can contact me. And in your textbook, near to some boxes, there is one open book-like structure. I am not taking that portion because it is for further reading. It won't come for evaluation purpose. Okay, that's why I am not taking that portion. And activities are very simple. Try to read your textbook. The homework is read your textbook and underline the main points. Study the one-word questions from this chapter. Okay, no practical oriented questions from this chapter. So, we'll see you in the next class. We'll continue in the next class. Thank you and have a nice day.